Speaker, let me also take this opportunity to sympathize with the lost souls because of consuming illicit brew. Honorable Speaker, there is danger of branding some local brews to become illicit brew simply because people have lost lives in other places. Honorable Speaker, yes, the licensing of bars is the mandate of the county government, but beyond that, the enforcement, the production and the rest square lies the Ministry of Health and the relevant ministry in the national security organs. Honorable Speaker, in where I come from, we have a very local gin, very pure local gin, Honorable Speaker, manufactured in very hygienic conditions, and we have never had any challenges.
Honorable Undo, what you are calling gin is in fact an outlawed drink called chang'aa.
No, Honorable Speaker.
Yes.
It's not called chang'aa.
Yes.
We call it enguri, Honorable Speaker. And it's a very clear and clean gin.
Go and read the definition of chang'aa in the Chang'aa Prohibition Act.
And Honorable Speaker, if you go to my constituency, we have no shortage of kids. We have no shortage of pregnant women. So honestly, Speaker, we do not want the mess that has happened in central Kenya to be applied blanket application the entire country to eliminate our national pastime in our community. Honorable Speaker, let regions deal with their problems as they arise and not have a national condemnation of local brews. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Order, Honorable Undo, for avoidance of doubt. Under the Chang'aa Prohibition Act, chang'aa is described as enguli, machwara, machozi ya simba, kill me quick, or any other spirituous liquor, howsoever described. So it is not a local brew that is defendable. Yes, Mukunji will be the last on this.